Ever have the sense the talk in your head will not quiet down? Running thoughts, layered worries, no shut-off. You're not the only one. But the thing is this: serenity doesn't begin on the outer plane. It begins on the plane with which you regulate the inner sphere. And for today, I'm going to give away the very first thing to still the incessant chatter. In this video, you will learn an effortless method to calm down the mind, prevent overthinking, and create the ground for long-standing peace. This is where the journey begins, a practice for all, anywhere. The nature of inner noise. Your mind is a noisy market. Ideas, concerns, memories yell for business. Most people are frozen in this chaos, assuming it's just normal. Peace, on the other hand, begins when you don't have to do business with all the voices. Pause technique. The first process appears deceptively simple. Stopping. Once you feel overwhelmed, stop. If you are able to, shut your eyes. Take one slow, deliberate breath. Don't oppose the thoughts. Just note the thoughts pass by like clouds. In the act of noting alone, the wheel of getting swept away by each thought is broken. Why it works? You are diminished when you no longer relate to your thoughts. You create space when instead of habit or instinct, you observe. That space is the seed of peace. Both the ancient traditions and modern psychology agree. Awareness is stronger than sound. Practice challenge. This is your practice. 3 times a day. Stop for one breath when you stop doing what you're doing. Morning, noon, evening. One mindful breath. That's all. With practice, this will train your mind to rise out of noise, not go down with it. Inner peace starts with no grand ritual or advanced technique. Inner peace starts with the individual pause, the individual breath, the act of choosing to see instead of doing. This is where you start. If you hold to it, you will see more calm, more clearness, more self-discipline. If that was helpful to you, subscribe for weekly advice on how to cultivate inner power and peace. And in the next video, we'll explore further how to cultivate the power of attention, your ability to turn an overthinking mind into calm.